thing down there. It was like the hybrid Zeratul fought.
Here? But how?
Minsk. It's always Minsk. The end of the universe is coming, and I should have known he'd be behind it.
But how did he hybridize Zerg and Protoss? The technology required is way beyond anything Terrans have developed. He can't be working alone on this.
This is Kate Lockwell for UNN. Donnie Vermillion remains on sick leave. Get better, Donnie. Coming up later, we begin a 10-part expose on corruption in the Dominion government. How high does it go? Tonight, however, I'd like to return to the topic of Tarsonis and the day it fell. Families ripped apart, literally, when the savage Zerg arrived. Mountains of dead bodies, deserted cities. Let's play that clip again.
I will rule this sector or see it burnt to ashes around.
Stop! Wait! You can't just come in here!
By order of Dominion Security, this newscast is terminated.
We finally got you, Arcturus. Nice to see the media taking shots at you for a change.
Whatever you found down there makes me afraid. What was it?
Something monstrous. Zerg, Protoss hybrid. It must have been a powerful sigh for you to feel it scream from all the way up here.
Searing, blinding, like feeling the sun burn in your face with your eyes squeezed shut. I never felt a thing like that before. I hope I never do again.
What in hell's name did you stir up in that lab, cowboy?
Minx is taking a plain god literally now. He made that thing and a whole heap more like it. And who knows how many other labs he's got out there.
Great. Like we ain't got enough to handle with the Zerg. Now we got Minx breeding his own damn monsters too.
Commander, our mutual friends at the Mobius Foundation have located the last artifact fragment. When this final piece is secured, we can proceed to Char and confront Kerrigan. Good luck, Mr. Rayner. I fear you'll need it. My Mobius associates have finally tracked down the last piece of the artifact. It's on a derelict Zelnaga ship located within the Sigma Quadrant.
Pretty far off the beaten path, Junior.
The artifact is here. The ship has several ripfield generators which disintegrate everything at a molecular level in a matter of moments. Fortunately, our new Minotaur-class battlecruisers should be able to survive the fields long enough to destroy the generators.
Anything else we should know?
Well, long-range scans have identified a sizable Tal'Darim force holding in the area.
We are in way over our heads on this one, Jimmy. Walking into rip fields. I didn't sign up for no suicide mission. We should just take the money and run.
Getting cold feet, Tygus?
I lost 9 years in prison on account of you. Ain't tossing what's left of my life away just so you can rescue your little princess. Remember, you own me, partner.
Not enough to quit on something like this. You're relieved. You can sit this one out. partner.
Fine then. You know where I'll be.
Adjutant, prep the ship for jump. Let's get this over with.
Caution. Anomalous gravity distortion detected.
There's the first rip field Valerian talked about.
The battle cruisers should be able to survive long enough to destroy the generator, but only if they concentrate their fire.
Got it.
Well, what is it? Squadron en route. Yes, Commander.
What do you think, sir? Quick smash and grab?
We're gonna need more than a couple of battle cruisers to blast our way through.
Take your time, Commander. I'd rather do this right and get the artifact.
Ah! You scared me!
We'll be lucky to find any normal resources here. But centuries of asteroid impacts have scattered mineral fragments and crystallized Vespene all over the wreck.
All right, we'll scout around and see what we can pick up.
SCV ready.
Will do. You hailed? Patching you through. Engage.
SCV ready.
Acknowledged.
Add-on
Take it.
complete.
SCV ready.
Course laid in.
Add-on complete.
SCV ready. Ben? Bad news? Gotcha. SCV ready. Roger. You're the boss. Huh? I can't build here. Yep. Yes, sir.
Well,
Big job, huh? Huh?
oh really?
Ah! You scared me!
What is it? Okay. Engage. I'm on it. Who called in the fleet?
All right, boys. Hit him with the Yamato cannon. Couple shots of that.
Patching you through.
Upgrade complete. Upgrade complete.
Antaro Tassadar, friend Reno. The Tal'Darim have imprisoned all who oppose them. Release us, and we will gladly fight at your side against them.
I'm on it.
Bad news? Gotcha. Go ahead. Well, butter my biscuit. I'm going. Sure thing.
Upgrade complete. Not enough mineral.
Oh, really?
Upgrade complete.
Patching you... Well? Roger. You hail? Yes, Commander. What is it? Who called in the fleet? Squadron? Oh, really? Well? You hail? Patching you through. Yes, Commander.
Huh? Yep.
Oh, really?
Mineral field depleted.
Yes, Commander. Take it slow. Abandon ship! Acknowledged.
Our thanks, James Raynor. The Tal'Darim will pay for their treachery.
Course laid in. Will do.
Not enough energy. Not enough energy.
Yes, sir.
Fear is an
What is it? Whatever that. Colonize the earth. Yes, Commander. Oh, really?
Insufficient Vespine gas.
In the rear with the gear.
Upgrade complete.
You hailed?
Nasperu Unatar.
We are running low on minerals at this location. Additional mineral supplies have been located nearby.
Ready for dust-off. On my way.
Jakul Inak. Katoon.
Patching you through.
What?
Mineral field depleted.
Clever.
Mineral field depleted.
The void claims it.
Mineral field depleted.
Who called in the fleet?
I will come. We will join the hunt for the Tal'Darim.
Mineral field depleted.
You see our service by the void. I
Mineral field depleted.
clever. Darkness descends.
Our SCVs are under attack.
Who called in the fleet?
Go ahead.
Talk to me.
In the rear with the gear.
Picking up or dropping off? Dropping off.
Oh, really? Yes, Commander. En route.
Huh? What's going on? I can't build here.
Heading out. Well,
Bad news? Yep.
Insufficient Vespine gas.
Will do. Well?
Nasperu Unatar. I am intrigued. The void claims its own. I am the blade of Shakuras. Clever. I stretch. I bask in twilight. Fear is an illusion.
Vault. We are very close to the artifact.
Make peace with your gods, defilers. You will now answer for your crimes.
That Protoss mothership is formidable, sir. Scans indicate it's capable of cloaking nearby friends and phasing enemies out of existence for a short time.
You seek our service.
Where's the emergency? Waiting on you.
Big job, huh?
Life flight's here.
Ah! You scared me! Go ahead.
Ready for pickup? Here's your stop.
Bad news? Will do.
Now what? Dropping off. Talk to me. Picking up. Life flight's here.
Upgrade complete.
Abandon ship.
Here's your stop. Where's the emergency?
Yes, Commander. You hailed? Commencing bombardment.
The darkness rides. By the void. Khartoum.
Oh, really? Who called in the fleet?
My blades thirst for vengeance.
Take it slow.
Jakul Inak.
Patching you through. Oh, really? Cauterize the area. What is it?
Ah! You scared? What's going on?
Where's the emergency? Dropping off.
Yes, Commander. Squadron en route.
Huh? Yep. Big job, huh?
Who called in the fleet? Patching you through.
Bad news?
Talk to me. Here's your stop.
In the rear with the gear. Go ahead.
Life flight's here. Understood.
Upgrade complete.
Dropping off. Picking up or dropping off?
Upgrade complete.
Well? Who called in the fleet? Yes, sir. Yes, Commander. Full attack, all weapons.
Bad news? Huh?
Nasmeru Unadar. I am the blade of Shakuras.
You hailed?
Truly you bring freedom to all, friend Rainer.
Yes, Commander. Oh, really? Whatever that means. Well? En route.
Ah! You scared me! In the rear with the gear. What's going on? Bad news?
Abandon ship! I'm on it.
Upgrade complete.
Will do.
You seek our service. I am the blade of Shakur.
Mineral field depleted.
Well? Patching you through. Oh, really? What is it? Yes, Commander. Patching you through. You hail. Well?
Big job, huh?
You hailed? Yes, Commander. Squadron en route. You hailed? Take it slow. Oh, really? Acknowledged. Who called in the fleet? Abandon ship! Engage. Whatever that means. Yes, Commander. Abandon ship! Abandon ship! Take it slow. Abandon ship! Commencing bombardment. Abandon ship!
Upgrade complete.
Abandon ship!
Upgrade complete.
Mobilize the area. You called in the fleet. Abandon ship! Well? Yes, sir.
My spirit returns to the Zell Daka.
All right, we're clear. Grab that thing and set a course to rendezvous with Valerian.